In this in this video, I'm going to explain about create a button component. So this component are reuse here and here also, right? So but here is a arrow is there. So based on that, and the size is less here. That is also we can pass from the reusable component. So now go to the code in the widgets button widget, right? So here class button widget. So it extends from the stateless widget. Okay. So why I'm creating the stateless widget is why there is no state maintained in the this particular widget. Clear? Okay. So we required the build method, right? And here create a constructor button widget. Okay. And this is a build method, right? So here for the requirement, as for requirement, the background color and title is a what is the background title? Background color is a blue and title we have to create a parameters, right? Text of the widget and color of the widget. Okay, and the text color also. Okay, so now white. Okay, if you want to change from okay, if you want to pass from the other widget, for example here the text widget is black, but we need to write a the reusable component to satisfy the all requirement. Clear? So for this, I'm going to create a properties final string. This is a button title, right? Button title and on pressed button on press callback. Okay. So void. Okay. This is required, right? On press is required. This dot button title is also required and on press also required. Clear? And background color, right? Final color, the bg button bg color. Okay, background color. Okay, so now background color, but why it's required here? Not required. Okay, optional. It's not required. Okay, I will make a I will define here only. Okay, background color. Clear? This dot the background color equal to like this. Now see this color is I need to refer from the color constant, right? So color constants dot primary color. Okay, let's give the primary color as go here. Let's take a primary color. So this is a color. This is a color code. Okay, I'll copy the color code from what is this format? Hexadecimal, right? But we required hexa, right? So let's convert in online hexa to hexadecimal. Okay, hexadecimal converter. Or else we can directly we can get it from the Figma also. Okay, we can get also. Where is that? The color code. Let's convert. It is that where is the converter? This one, huh? Huh? Decimal, huh? Okay. So this button background color is coming from the primary color. Okay. So directly we applied in the constructor defaultly. If you want to pass, you can pass the button color also. Clear? So here I'm using the elevation button. Use the size box. We'll pass the width as where okay width of the button as per your requirement. Let's create a variable for the final double width instead of signing here this dot button width. Okay. Let's give the double why it's a lint issue is see this is a no. The lint issue because the B is a capital here. Okay. So should be small. That is to avoid this coding guideline to avoid you have to follow the coding guidelines. That's why I enable see I'm not disable the lint issue here. Okay, button width. If you provide the button width, we can assign the button width like this. Okay, so defaultly it will take a parent width. Okay, if you want to provide, you can provide the width of the button. If a 50, 100 like this, we can pass wherever you want your per requirement. If you not pass as per parent width, it will take. That is the w double dot infinity. Okay, and size box and a child. I will take elevation button. Okay, so in the elevation button, put a background color button BG color, and the child is a text, right? Child is a text. Child is button title, and the style, the text style. Okay, text style. We can give the font size something. Assistant color. Let's pass the color also. Okay, defaultly. So button actually button defaultly button text color is white. This is not button text color defaultly white. Okay, button text color. Button text color. Okay, and next, what is the left on pressed also done. Okay, so this is the button reusable widget. Okay, so for now, I'm using in the login page for the load the button widget. Okay, so there is no lint issue till now, right? We didn't find any lint issue. We are clear that. Let's go to the login screen because that is initial. I'm testing the reusable one by one widget. Okay, we done with the logo widget. We loaded that. Next one is button widget. Okay, so here I'm going to pass the title, and here I'm going to implement the on press. Okay, why it's a constant is not yellow? Because of some action is we are perform in the inside the button. That's why I removed the constant here. Let pass the login. Okay, so and width also, if you pass the, see, we can pass the width also, not required because of I need to fill the, yeah, screen. Clear? Huh? Came button width came. Okay, if you pass the width, button width is 200. Now see the output. See, width is changed, right? Okay, this is a as per our requirement. As per a requirement, you pass the button width as per requirement. If you not pass the requirement, if not pass the width of the button, defaultly it will take width of the parent screen, parent, which is the parent object, that width automatically take by render inside the particular parent. So that is a reusable widget. We done the reusable widget, right? So any doubts till now? No, right? So click on login button. Let's print the action. That action is called or not. Okay. So in the on press, print button call. Let's like run. Now we can see the output in the below. Now clear? It's a call, right? So okay. If you want to pass the button text color also, we can pass like this. Okay. So we completed the button component in this video. Okay. Next video will design the other component, our other reusable component.